Welcome back to Whatever Garage. Today, we're going to finish sanding on the 1956 Chevy 3100 pickup Fender. And I'm going to get the little 2-inch sander and strategically get all these little weld marks off. Let's get started. Okay guys, we're going to finish doing this outdoors. Let me turn on Toby. And Toby is who I am temporarily calling the cameraman, since I'm awaiting names from you guys. Okay? Over here. Works down here. What was that? It's windy today. We're going to start off by me showing you how I'm going to sand these off, and then we will go to time lapse, in which you don't have to sit here and wait for the whole thing, because I don't know how long this is going to take. I'm sure it'll take a while. And I need a mask. Toby, stay. It's a little on the windy side today, so hopefully it doesn't interfere too much. Got my new gloves. We're going to break them in. It may be hard to hear me. Over here, dude. Over here. Thank you. Down here. Little 2-inch, using a 40 grit with some dirt. I'm gonna try and get off all the spot welds. Over here. Now I'm just hitting the spot weld, I'm not hitting the fender. All right, that's gonna conclude this episode just of the sanding part, okay? I wanted to get the metal covering this off, and then I wanted to get the bodywork off. You've already seen the episode where I took this off. But then I wanted to sand down the metal, the welded parts that were still on here, expose what was here and figure out what we got. And what we've got is just a couple of little dings I think I can hammer out. The only part that's gonna have to be replaced is right here. It's a little rot around there. It's really thin here. I have 2 other fenders that I can choose from, and depending on what shape they're in, I'll just cut a little section out, butt weld it in, and bingo bango, we're done. Other than that, I'm really impressed with what good a shape this was in. The fender, the lips are not rusted out at all. I'm assuming this is original. That could just be a bad assumption, but I'm assuming that's original. I need to figure out where I can get the spare tire mount. If anybody knows anything about that, let me know, okay? I want to get a spare tire mount because, like I said, my wife wants the spare tire on the outside of her vehicle. So, that's that. This is also going to be the very last video for this year. We are ending 2023 on a yawn. Because I know sanding's boring, guys. That's why I did it all in fast forward. But there's always steps you got to go through, so you got to take the exciting ones with the bad ones, all right? I may do a video at the beginning of the year recapping our last 7 months. I have been doing this for 7 months, according to my daughter, and we're up to 103 subscribers. So I never imagined I'd have that many people. Thank you, everybody. There's a couple of you who constantly send in questions or comments, and I really appreciate it. The rest of you do something. Ask me a question. Send in a comment. Tell me how I'm doing. Tell me how I'm not doing. Stuff like that. But I want to wish everybody a happy New Year. Our family has had a very good year this year. We are very happy and very pleased. So we're looking forward to next year. All right? So whatever garage, out. Oh, that was a lot of babble.